Hi everyone, I wanted to make this video, however due to a lot of things it got postponed, so I didn't have time to make this video. Today we're going to talk about Aqua sauna. I visited two of these Aqua saunas. One of them was in Longleat, which was really nice, refurbished and brand new. It looked like let's say Scandinavian style, which was really my favorite. And the other one that I visited was in Nottinghamshire. That one was also nice. Today I'm going to tell you exactly what happens when you go inside there. So I've never actually been in a spa before. Well, all of you might know. It's just because it's not a really long time I've been here. However, when you're going in there, obviously you need to book before online, and when you book it online, the parking guides will just guide you. They check your name and everything, name and details, and then you're going to be allowed to get in. Once you get in there, the reception will ask your name again to double check everything. Would you need flip-flops or anything? Which make sure you will definitely take your flip-flops with you. They do have flip-flops, which I think in Longleat I paid for £2, but the size was like double size of my foot, so it was very big. So make sure that you're taking your own flip-flops with you when you go. They give you a bag, you take the bag and you go to the changing room. Also, my own suggestion, my own ideas, do not wear bikinis. Bikinis are for the beach. You want to take sun, you want to, I don't know, do some sun bath or something. So make sure that you're just wearing a special spa clothes, which is like more like a swimming suit. Then you will go to the changing room. Once you get to the changing room, there is a way that you go inside the actual Aqua sauna center. Oh, well, just the restaurant first of all, which we will start with the restaurant. When you get to the restaurant, you will be welcomed with a glass of bubbly champagne. I love the idea. If you want, you can order your food online, you can pay for it, and then you can also have the food. The one I've tried in Longleat, it was the daytime session, full day session, but the one I've tried in Nottinghamshire, it was only starting from 5 o'clock to 9 o'clock in the evening. Both were really absolutely amazing. It depends on you whether you want to order food from the restaurant, which the food is really nice as well. I really highly recommend it. You can order your food, and after that you're going to start in there. Just to tell you, once you get in there, you're not allowed to use your phones and everything. You can't take photos or anything in there. You just need to walk in there, and that's the reason, because you want to enjoy a day without your phone and being relaxed. So what you do is to just go to the food spa. What's that? The food spa or the food bath is where you just put your foot after a long day inside into these food spas, just some bubbles coming inside it. It's just like a kind of massage to your foot, kind of like a massage to your feet, and that's really amazing. That's what you need for a whole day. And after that, here we go. You're going to have more than 22 rooms to enjoy and rest and love your day and love yourself. So that's it. We are going to get the map. Well, basically, there is a huge map on the wall in there that it tells you exactly how the Aqua sauna is being fulfilled with different rooms and different spa rooms and steam rooms and everything, and the music they play in each room is brilliant. For example, the volcanic steam room is brilliant, and every room has got its own smell. Eucalyptus, volcanic. Also, after really hot sauna, you can go to the ice cave. So there is like a small room which they have created a kind of pipe in the middle, and there's ice coming. And after the sauna, when you're so hot, when your body temperature is really hot, the only thing that could cool you down, is just the ice. So I really loved it, because I was just putting ice. Well, make sure you do not put ice on your skin, because you obviously create red lines on your skin, especially if you're having very sensitive skin. So make sure you do not put ice on your face for a long time. If you just want to enjoy, like, just take it in your hand, put it on your face, and then put it back, because it could damage your skin right after a high temperature after sauna. And also the one I really liked, it was the outdoor jacuzzi. Both lovely. We tried it in the daytime session in Longleat, and I tried it in the nighttime session in Nottinghamshire. Both are amazing. That's what you need. The only thing I was a little bit feeling weird is the chlorate smell when you go to the swimming pool and the jacuzzi, which I think possibly they're doing it because it's like an outdoor. They have to put chloride in there just to make sure that it's not getting moss or anything. However, it was a lovely experience. I highly recommend it to you. After you finish your session, you're all good to go. You can take a shower. There are shampoo, hair conditioner, and even body lotion in all the shower rooms in there. And after that, you need to make sure you leave the bag in there. There's a special container. You would just push the bag in there. Actually, we had that in Longleat, but in Nottinghamshire it was a slightly different. So I saw one of their staff, which the staffs in Nottinghamshire were absolutely amazing and friendly, so I just gave my bag to one of their staffs. And then when you're coming out, usually nighttime they're closed by that time, which I wanted to buy some face cream, but they were closed. Well, make sure if you want to buy any kind of face products, you can just buy it before, as even in the middle of every session, each room, a steam room that you're going, or each shower room that they've got in there, you can use different well, not different, there are only one face spray and one face milk, which just clears all your, you know, just the skin. It clears the skin after each steam room when you're coming out, which I loved it, and I used it right after I was coming out in the final session at the end of the session. Also, one last point, some of the rooms are coming with huge steam, which I couldn't bear it, so I had to just come out straight away. So these steam rooms are coming with huge, well, massive steam sometimes, and of course they are having some special oils in there, which makes it really good. It's really good for the skin for that, but I couldn't really bear the steam in there. And of course, in the end of the session, you can enjoy and relax in one of the relaxation rooms and nest in there. That's absolutely lovely. You can just lay down. You can also book a massage if you want to go for a massage in there. I didn't do it because we didn't really have time. We just wanted to enjoy all the steam rooms and everything. Right, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. You know that I am like a kind of vlogger style. I do talk about business and everything. So make sure you also recommend my YouTube channel to your friends, and have a lovely time. Bye.